Hi everyone, welcome back to the second video in our LangChain tutorial series. In this video, we will set up the environment for our LangChain project. We will use Conda to create a virtual environment and set up a .env file to securely store our API keys. By the end of this video, you will have everything ready to start building with LangChain. Let's dive in. Now I am going to create here one file named LangChain. Folder named LangChain. Open this folder, then open command prompt in this folder, type code space dot, and it will automatically redirect to VS Code. See, VS Code is opened in our LangChain folder. First, make sure you have Conda installed on your system. If you don't have it yet, you can download and install it from official Anaconda or Miniconda website. Now let's create a virtual environment for our LangChain project. Virtual environments helps us to manage dependencies and avoid conflicts between projects. To create one, uh, first of all, I will open a new terminal. Then I will open a command prompt. Then to create a new one environment, I will type a command conda create minus n, that is hyphen n, lang chain env python equals to 3.10 hyphen y. Here LangChain env is the name of the environment and we are specifying Python 3.10 as the version. You can use any name or Python version you prefer. Once the environment is created, we will activate it. Here we go. Environment is created. Now we are going to activate it using this command, that is conda activate LangChain env. Now we are working in LangChain env environment. See, LangChain env environment. You see the environment name in your terminal prompt. Next, let's install the necessary packages for our project. We will need to install required packages in our environment. To install required packages in our environment, we will first create requirement.txt file in our uh, project. Here we created our requirements.txt file. Then these are the dependencies we are going to install in our created virtual environment. So to install these dependencies, we will use command pip install -r requirements.txt and hit enter. It will automatically install all the packages listed in requirement.txt file. Done. Installation is completed. Now we are ready to set up our API key. So To securely store our API keys, we will use .env file. This file will store sensitive information like API keys, and we will load them into our project using python-dotenv package. Let's create a new file called .env in the root of our project. .env. Here we created. Now open the .env file and add your API key. For example, you are using the Groq API. It will look like this. In our whole project, we are going to use Groq to load our LLM model. To get Groq API key, just go to Google and search Groq. Hit enter, then you will find this Groq API key website. I have signed up earlier, so I have redirected to this page. But you have to first sign up, then uh, you will come to this page. Then create API key, enter display name for the API key, and hit submit. Then you will get API key here. Then that API key you are going to replace this API key with this your API key here. To recap, in this video, we set up a Conda environment, installed the required packages, and securely stored our API key in .env file. Now you are all set to start building with LangChain. In the next video, we will dive into creating our first LangChain application. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.